And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, the typhoon remnants and the big storms coming off Siberia, producing this big trough in the Pacific, which means downstream, it's like shaking a rope. It's a big ridge, and this is heat. It was 80 degrees in the Northwest Territories and Canada today, which means on the flip side, the trough in the east with chilly temperatures. We get a couple of nights this week. We're going to get some patchy frost, but as the trough digs south, it's pulling in northward. Now, Ian was really looked to be strengthening pretty rapidly over the past hour. This part of the eye is a little ragged right now, but you can still see the intense oranges and reds trying to wrap around it. As of the 11 o'clock update from the National Hurricane Center, it's still a solid Category 3. It's 9 miles an hour from Category 4, winds sustained at 120. We just had a wind gust of 79 miles an hour at Key West, and it still looks like it's going to be a Fort Myers storm right here and then move right over Orlando. Again, the surge in Fort Myers could exceed 10 or 12 feet, especially into Charlotte Harbor, the Punta Gorda area, also Fort Myers, and then Port Charlotte. That's the area highest surge, and then it moves potentially back over the Atlantic, may strengthen a little bit, and then move right back into southeast Georgia, South Carolina, and will likely be in western North Carolina by Saturday. But we're going to get a landfall tomorrow afternoon from Ian. It will likely make landfall as a Category 4 storm. All right, that said, let's go local. We got a couple lake effect rain showers tomorrow morning, 7, 9 o'clock, roughly in that time frame. 44 at 7, 50 at 9, and then in the afternoon it's partly cloudy, breezy to windy, and 62 with highs upper 50s to mid 60s. You can see here area wide. Tomorrow night, though, how about some patchy frost? We're looking at 34 to 40, light winds, clear conditions, mid 30s at Flora as well as Fowler, upper 30s at Petersburg, and will be in the 30s also at Frankfurt. Then on Thursday, a lot of sunshine, but 63 to 68. Northeast breeze to east northeast breeze. Again, with that light wind, a wind chill near freezing early on Thursday morning, and there you see the high is 66 at Lafayette, to your 66 at Fowler and Otterburn as well, and about 65 at Delphi. Lake effect cloudiness comes in tonight, maybe a few showers in the northern, and then right in this area, this central part of the area, then those are gone. We're partly cloudy tomorrow. Lots of sun on Thursday. The weather looks good right into the weekend. The only thing the remnants of Ian will do is bring a little cloudiness in here and keep the northeast winds blowing, again, weekend and right into early next week, and keep the heat off to the west for the time being. 71 on Friday, 72 Saturday. Look at those 2 mornings in the 30s, 74 on Monday and Tuesday. Could be back to the 80s once we get Ian out of the way later next week.